Where do you even begin when designing a brand new motorcycle? Some people draw inspiration from a movie, a song, a painting, a picture they saw, a story they were told. Some people draw from another bike they've seen. For us, even after having been given a prompt from Yamaha, we had only seen the bike that we would be designing in pictures.
So we first saw the bike in person in Italy at the press launch, and that's when conversations started becoming more real. First it started with Ben and I just being able to ride it, experience what the motorcycle is like, which got us even more excited for what was about to come. So what's really great about the Built for Good program is that I get to ask some really talented, incredible people within the motorcycle industry to help with something that gives back, right? And so I was able to approach Shake from the Mighty Motor. He's been a longtime friend since I started getting into the motorcycle industry, and we bounce ideas off of each other. And having known him and loving his creative direction and his attention to detail and design, I wanted to bring him on board to really give this build not only some direction, but also a little, we'll say, spice. This year we're working with Strange Industries on this build. Alex and Dragos, two very, very talented people, and a lot of what they do comes from the automotive industry, from race trucks to exotics to muscle cars. I mean, these guys know it all.
Yeah, for years we talk about some motorcycle project, do some projects together, and then when this one came up, I said, oh yeah, that's the one.
This is the project we're doing now, so I'm pumped to finally get together and do something with our ideas.
What's exciting about Strange Industries is their ability to build in a different way.
Last year at Social Shop, we used the wireframe method. This year, Strange has a lot more experience in foam shaping, scanning, entering the scans into CAD, and then 3D printing to create a plug that would eventually turn into a mold for us to use to create our body.
So Strange Industries introduced us to one of the industrial designers that they've worked with in the past. We might not be able to state who, but he's helped a lot. When I talked to him about building an 80s motorcycle, he was very excited. He's a racer, so not only does he want to bring in the design element, he also wants to bring in the performance, what will make the bike faster, perform better, handle better. These are all factors that you have to take into consideration, aside from just making it look nice.
With an assembled team, we were more than ready to jump onto the project. But unfortunately, due to global shipping delays, the project will be pushed back another 4 months.